Samsung's next big software update, One UI 8.5, looks like it's going to be a major step forward, much bigger than most people expected. Even though the name makes it sound like a small mid-year update, leaks have confirmed that One UI 8.5 is based on Android 16 QPR2, a newer and more advanced version of Android. This means users are getting more than just bug fixes or small visual changes, according to a report from Android Authority. The leaked One UI 8.5 build includes the SDK version 36.1 and build ID prefix BP4A. These match Google's Android 16 QPR2 system, proving that Samsung has built its new interface on this updated Android version. In simple terms, One UI 8.0 was based on the first version of Android 16, while 8.5 takes it up a notch with the second major release. Bringing several new features and improvements, this update won't just polish what's already there, it's expected to make Samsung phones faster, smarter, and easier to use. Users can look forward to smoother animations, more customization options, and new tools for both everyday use and advanced users. One of the key upgrades is a better dark mode. Android 16 QPR2 expands dark mode across all apps and settings, making the phone's interface more consistent and comfortable for the eyes. There's also a new feature that forces all app icons to match your theme colors, even if app developers haven't updated them yet. That means a cleaner and more uniform home screen look. Another big feature is lock screen widgets for third-party apps. This means you could soon add widgets like Spotify controls, Google Calendar, or weather updates directly to your lock screen without any extra Samsung apps or complicated setups. Everything will be natively supported and smoothly integrated into One UI style. For health-conscious users, One UI 8.5 is expected to support Google Health Connect, which brings step tracking and fitness data into one place. It allows apps like Samsung Health, Fitbit, and Strava to share and sync data easily. So no matter which app you prefer, your information will stay consistent. Samsung is also working on giving users more control over vibration feedback. You might be able to adjust the strength of haptics for different notifications or actions, like making your typing feel softer or setting stronger vibrations for important calls. There are also reports of built-in PDF editing tools, meaning you could highlight, sign, or annotate PDFs directly from the gallery or file manager without downloading third-party apps. On the audio side, Samsung and Google are reportedly collaborating on a new Eclipse audio system, based on IAM-F technology shown at CES 2025. This aims to make audio more immersive and realistic, especially when using Galaxy Buds or high-end Samsung devices. It's expected to give users a more cinematic sound experience. Other technical improvements could include manual brightness control for both HDR and SDR videos, giving you more flexibility when watching or editing clips. A new personal audio sharing option may also appear in the output menu, making it easier to share sound with friends or switch between connected devices. For creative professionals, the update might include new audio APIs for better music production and sound editing apps, making the Galaxy phones more appealing to content creators and musicians. Security and privacy are also seeing some big updates. Samsung might include Google's Secure Lock device feature, which helps protect your phone if it's lost or stolen. A new phone theft protection setting could prevent anyone from resetting or using the device without your permission. There's also an expanded identity check feature that verifies your identity across more apps, making online banking and secure logins even safer. Of course, not every Android 16 QPR2 feature will make it into One UI 8.5. Samsung usually picks the most stable and useful ones that fit well with its own system. Still, users will benefit from all the core Android improvements, better apps for developers, and the latest security patches. All signs point to One UI 8.5 being one of Samsung's most feature-packed mid-cycle updates ever. It's not just about new icons or themes, it's about deeper Android integration, more control for users, improved performance, and stronger security. The update is expected to debut alongside the Galaxy S26 series, which will come preloaded with One UI 8.5 right out of the box. Once that happens, users will finally see how much Samsung's software has evolved. One UI 8.5 could easily become one of the company's smoothest, smartest, and most refined updates to date. In short, what seemed like a small update might actually be a major leap forward for Samsung phones.